Zdravo, prijatelji! Today we're going to make pesto, but not just one pesto, we're going to make 3 kinds. So we're making Pesto Genovese, Pesto Rosso and Pesto Bianco. So, let's go! We're gonna start off with Pesto Genovese, because it originated from Genua, which is a town in Italy. First we're gonna roast our pine nuts. Then we're gonna use a lot of fresh basil. And we're gonna tear it into small parts to process it later easier. We're also gonna add 2 cloves of garlic. So a trick from me, just press it with the palm and then the skin will go off easily. Now we're gonna add our roasted pine nuts. Now we're gonna add Parmesan cheese, but you could also use pecorino. The traditional recipes differ a lot, so I think it's just a preferable thing. Some salt, not traditional at all, but I love it this way. I'm also adding some pepper and lemon juice. And last but not least, some olive oil. And make sure to get a good one, because if you're gonna use cheap olive oil, the whole dish will taste cheap. And now we're gonna blend everything with our hand blender. Make sure to not blend it too long. If it gets too warm, it will taste weird. Some recipes call for adding ice cubes, but I don't like this method, so don't blend it so long. Pesto Genovese is done, so let's hit the next one. Alright, now we're gonna do some Pesto Rosso. So annotation from here, this is not the best one I made. I still have to figure out a better recipe. And if you know a really good recipe, please let me know in the comments. I'm always happy about better recipes. We're gonna start with roasting some almonds. Now we're gonna slice some dried tomatoes. I soaked these in water overnight. I won't use it all in the first place, but later on you will see I used it all up. So I used 80 grams of dried tomatoes in total. Then I'm gonna add some nice and fresh lemon juice, the roasted almonds, and like with the Pesto Genovese, we're also gonna use 2 cloves of garlic. Then we're gonna add some salt, a handful of dried rosemary, freshly ground pepper, and also the Parmesan cheese. And now everything left to do is add our olive oil and blend it with our hand blender. Same rule applies here, don't blend it too long. Here you're gonna see me add the rest of the tomatoes. Alright, Pesto Rosso is done, so now we're gonna do one of my favorite pestos, Pesto Bianco. Alright, first we're gonna roast some walnuts. I guess this is the reason why I like Bianco the most, because I love them. Now we're gonna add to our cup some ricotta cheese. Like in the first two, we're also gonna add 2 cloves of garlic. Same procedure, crush it, peel off, in. Then we add our roasted walnuts, salt, some fresh lemon juice, and also some dried oregano. And you know what the last step is. We're gonna add some olive oil and blend it. Alright, our pestos are done. I think I don't have to show you how to cook noodles. You all know how to cook them. So this is how it looks finished. So friends, I hope you like those recipes, and please tell me in the comments which pesto was your favorite. And don't forget to hit the like button, and if you haven't done so, please hit the subscribe button. See you next time.